Dear students, welcome to another video tutorial on data structure and algorithm. And today's topic is circular linked list insertion. Okay. So in our previous lecture, we have discussed about different. So in our previous lecture, we have discussed about circular linked list. Okay. So now today in this lecture, we will discuss about insertion at circular linked list. Okay. So myself Niladri Shekhar Pal, I am working as an assistant professor at Computer Science and Engineering Department at Greater Kolkata College of Engineering and Management. The college is under JIS Group, okay, and the college is situated at Baruipur. So what is basically circular linked list? Okay, or how we can insert an element into a circular linked list. First, we have to create a new node and assign some data to its data field. Okay, as you can see that a new node has been created and 30 is the data and it has been inserted, okay, to the data part. In the next part or the next step, we have to traverse to n minus 1 position in the list. In our case, since we want to insert a node at third position, therefore we will traverse to 3 minus 1, that is second position in the list. Say current pointer points to the n minus 1th node. Okay. So as you can see that this is the current node. Okay. Next, in the step 3, we will link the next pointer field of new node with the node pointed by the next pointer field of current n minus 1 node, which means new node dot next equals to current next. So this was the picture, okay. As you can see, this is the current node, okay, and this is the new node, okay. A new node has been connected. New node has been connected with this node, okay. So now we'll connect the next pointer field of current node with the newly created node, which means now next pointer fields of current node will point to new node and you are done. So this was the picture, okay. As you can see that this node is connected with the new node, okay. So this is the overall picture, okay. So now we'll do a C program, okay, that will insert at circular linked list, okay. So let's do the program. So this is our C editor, okay. We'll go to file and open a new source file, okay. So at first we'll take header file hash include stdio.h. This is the standard input output, okay. Next hash include stdlib, okay, stdlib.h. Next we will take the node, okay. So we'll define the node, okay. Basically node has two parts, one is the data part and another one is the address part, okay. So we'll take it globally, okay. So struct node is using structure we have defined, okay. So it has two parts, okay. So node has two parts, one is data part, okay, and another one is next part. So struct node pointer next, okay. Next we will declare the head, which is structure type, okay. Now we'll define the we'll call the functions, okay. We have basically here four functions. One function is to create the list, next one to the display the list, and we will insert at beginning, okay, and insert at any position, okay. So declare the function, okay. So void create list, okay. So is the parameter n, that is the size of the linked list. Then void display list, okay. Next void insert at beginning, okay. So our data has to be passed, which data we want to insert, okay. Next, void insert at n position. Okay, insert at n. Okay, so now in this case we have to pass two data. One is the data and the second one is the position, in which position we want to insert. Okay, so in position. Okay, so we have basically four functions. Okay, so now we will take the main function. Okay, as you know, every C program must have a main function. Okay, so C program will start execution from this main function. Okay, so it takes the variables for the main function. This is the int in data and choice, which is initialized as 1. Okay, now head is equals to null. Okay, so now we'll take the while loop. So while choice is not equals to 0. Okay, then what we will do? We will printf. Okay, slash n. For 1 we will create list. Okay, so if you press 1, it will be a list will be created. Next one is printf 2 dot. Okay, this is for displaying the list. Display the list. Okay, next one is printf slash n. Number 3, insert at beginning. Insert at beginning. Okay, next printf slash n 4 dot insert at any position. Okay, insert at any position. Next one is printf slash n. Okay, so 0 is for exit. Okay, so next we will printf slash n. Enter your choice. Enter your choice. Okay, scanf percentage d comma ampersand choice. Okay, so switch choice. Okay, so first case 1. Okay, so printf slash n. Enter the total number of nodes. Scanf percentage d comma ampersand in. So now we'll call the create list function. So this is the break statement. Now will the display list function. Okay, here we will also use a break. Next is case 3. Printf slash n. Okay, enter the data to be inserted. Okay, enter the data to be inserted at beginning. Okay, at beginning. next scanner percentage d comma person data. So we'll call the insert at beginning function, okay, and here we'll pass the data. Okay. So this is the break statement. Okay. So it is inserted at beginning. Next, in case 4, insert at nth position. Okay. So printf slash n, enter the node position. Enter the node position. So scanf percentage d comma ampersand position. Okay. Next, we will insert the data. Okay. So printf slash n, enter the data. So scanf percentage d comma ampersand data. Now we'll call the insert at n. We will pass data and n. Sorry, data and n. So this will be n, as we have taken n. Taken this is n. So this is now the break statement. Okay. Next is case 0. Okay. Case 0. That is the only break. Okay. Next is the default case. Default case. Okay. So default case will print invalid choice or any other thing. Okay. So printf slash n, invalid choice. Invalid choice. Okay. Now we'll define the functions one by one. Okay. So the first function is void create list. So a parameter will be passed, that is int n. Okay. So int I comma data is the variables. Okay. So we will now take two variable or node type. Okay. One is previous node and another one is next new node. Okay. So one is previous node and one other one is new node. Okay. So if n is greater than equals to 1, okay, we can say that we will now create and links the head node. Okay, so head equals to struct node pointer, okay, malloc, then size of, okay, struct node, okay. Next printf will print enter the data of first node, okay, first node. Scanf percentage d comma ampersand data. So head next or head data will be data and head next will be next not, rather we say it will be null basically. Okay, not next. It will be null. Initially, it will be null. Okay. Next, previous node will be head. Okay, so it has been connected. Next, we are using a for loop to insert the elements from the second position. Okay, so for I equals to 2, I less than equals to n. Okay, I plus plus. Okay, so new node will be created now. Okay, so new node equals to struct node pointer nala size of struct node. Okay. Next printf function enter the data. Enter the data of percent node. So the value will be I. Next scanf percentage d comma ampersand data. So new node data will be data. Okay. And new node next will be null. Okay. As we do every case. Okay. Now we'll link this new node with the previous node. Okay. So previous node next will be new node. Okay. And previous node equals to new node. Okay. And previous node equals to new node. Okay. Next previous node next will be head, and we can print that the successfully created. Okay, so link list successfully created. Okay. So the function to create list has been done. Okay, so now we'll define the function display list. Okay, void display list. Okay, so struct node pointer current. Okay, that will hold the current position. Next int n equals to 1. Okay, now if head equal null. So printf slash list is empty. Okay, so the list is empty. So in the else part, we can do the current equals to head. Okay, and printf slash data in the list. So here we will take a do loop, do while loop. Okay. So within the do, this printf within the double quotation data %d equals to percentage d slash n comma n comma current data. Okay. So n plus plus. Here the condition will be while current is not equals to head. So this is the condition. So the display function has been created. Okay. Now we'll insert at beginning. We have struct node new node switch current. Okay. Switch head equal null. Okay. So printf slash n list is empty. Okay. So the list is empty. And in the else part, we will create a new node and assign data and links it to the head. Okay. So new node equals to struct node pointer. Okay. Malloc. This is size of struct node. Okay. So new node data will be data and new node next will be null. Okay. So initially every node when the node is created, the next part will be null. Okay. Current equals to head. So while current next not equals to head, then current equals to current next, and current next equals to new node. Okay. And here printed slash n node inserted successfully. Okay. So this was the function to insert at the node at beginning. Now we'll write the function that will insert the node, okay, at any position. So void insert at n. Okay, so we'll pass int data and int position. So we'll take the node, okay, struct node. One is new node and another one is current. Current node. So there are two. Next we will take another variable int I. Okay. So if height equal null, okay, we can print it that the list is empty. Okay, the list is empty. Okay. Next there is another condition, that is else if position equal 1. Okay. We will call the insert at beginning function. Okay, and data will be passed. And in the else part, new node equals to struct node pointer malloc size of, okay, struct node. Now new node data will be data and current will be head. Okay, so it will link or will traverse to n minus 1 node. Okay, so for I equals to 2, I less than equals to position minus 1, sorry, position minus 1, okay, I plus plus current equals to current next. Now new node next will be current new node next. Okay, new node next will be current next, and current next will be new node. Okay, current next will be new node. So printf slash n node inserted successfully. The node has been inserted successfully. Okay? So it was the function to insert a node at any position. Okay, so this was the program. Now we'll execute it. Okay, so compile and run. Okay, enter your choice. Suppose my choice is 1, we'll first create the list. Number of nodes is 4, so the elements are suppose 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So it has been created. We want to display the list, that is 2. Okay, so the list has been displayed. Okay, now we will insert at beginning. Okay, so it is suppose 9. Okay, now we'll again display the list. Okay, so this was the program to insert at beginning or at any position. Okay, so this was the program. Okay, you can see it. Okay, okay. This is the code. Okay, if you have any doubt, I think you can write on the comment section. Okay, this was the code. Okay, students, this was the program to insert the node at beginning or at any position. Okay, hope you have understood. If you have any doubt, any query, you can write on the comment section. Okay, or you can, if you have liked my videos, you can subscribe my channel. Okay, or you can visit www.facebook.com/digitalclassroom and like my page. Okay, then you will get all the details. Okay, so students, thank you for now. See you in the next video tutorial.